In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a ranking question with Paperform. Paperform is a versatile tool for creating online forms, surveys, and quizzes. And today, we'll focus specifically on the ranking question feature. Let's dive right in. To start, open your Paperform editor and navigate to a blank line in your form. This is where your new question will be added. Once you're on a blank line, simply type the command rank and hit the enter key. This action tells Paperform that you want to add a ranking question to your form. After pressing enter, you'll see a drop-down menu appear. From this menu, you'll need to select the option labeled rank. This selection specifies the type of question you're adding and prepares the form editor for the next steps. With the rank question type chosen, the next step is to craft your question's title. This title will guide your respondents on what you're asking them to rank. Think about the context and clarity of your question. A well-crafted title will let respondents know exactly what is being ranked and why. For example, you might use rank the following fruits from most to least favorite as a clear and informative question title. Now it's time to add the items that you want respondents to rank. For each item, you'll need to press enter, creating a new line for each one. Consider the order and the options you provide and ensure they make sense within the context of your question. It's helpful to include options that are familiar and relevant to your audience, which will provide meaningful insights from the responses. To further customize your ranking question, click on the gear icon located on the right-hand side of the question block. Here, you'll find various settings to tweak your question to better suit your needs. For instance, one of the options available is rank all items. This setting can be beneficial if you want respondents to consider every item in their responses rather than skipping any. Exploring these settings allows you to tailor the ranking question to fit your exact requirements and ensures that the data gathered is as useful as possible. Take a moment to explore these settings and make any necessary adjustments. By doing so, you can enhance the respondent's experience and improve the quality of the data collected from your form. That's all there is to it. Creating a ranking question with Paperform is a straightforward process that gives you powerful insights for your surveys, quizzes, or any kind of form. With just a few simple steps, you can gather ranked preferences or priorities quickly and efficiently. Remember, clear communication and a well-structured form are key to getting the most out of your responses. Thank you for watching and happy form building!